Right. Well, one more time, let me just thank our afternoon speakers, Lynette, Sheila, Heather, Evan, Ali, and Jeremy, together with our morning speakers. I've got my cheat sheet, so I don't forget anybody. Jeremy Brown, Allison Okamura, Oliver Schneider, Matteo Bianchi. Huge thank you to Zane. He did so much heavy lifting to pull this tutorial together. So everybody give him some rounds of claps. And I'm super excited. We have all of these talks recorded, the ones that were given live today, or the pre-recorded talks will all be available on the IROS On Demand. You have access to that for the following month. We'll get the new recordings uploaded as soon as possible. I just got some info that we might be able to even do that before the weekend, Zane. So all next week, you can come back and see these talks. To get access to those, go to www.iros2020.org/on-demand. You will be asked to register if you're not already. If you are not already registered, maybe you can push us over 20,000 registered attendees. We're at 19,500 and change right now. It's amazing. And then all that content will be available not just to us, but to the broader robotics community and really anyone that would like to access it. So thank you again to everybody. Fantastic questions and discussion. And Zane, I'm going to pass to you for any final thoughts.
Oh, that was wonderful. I'm not going to take away your thunder. I just wanted to add that we do have a feedback form that is now in the chat. This will also be going out in an email to you all tomorrow. Please go ahead and give us any feedback that you can on the tutorial session. We're always looking to improve and hopefully get more community content like this available for everybody in the future. Thank you all. Thank you, Dr. O'Malley. Thank you to all of our speakers. This has been wonderful.
All right. Thanks, everybody.